Hey everyone, so today we're at my grandma's house because I don't have enough space in my house to do the headliner, and luckily she happens to have an old barn, so if you come with me, I'll quickly show you. So this is where we're going to be filming today. Thank you Grandma for this.
Don't leave my back door open.
Sorry.
Okay guys, so the first step is to take off this fabric. It should be pretty easy because it's basically falling off already. And then this is the new fabric that we've got.
We got this from eBay. We've got 3 meters of it, so hopefully it will cover it, and it's a colour match, so hopefully it should look good. Ooh, that looks good. Right, pull that up. Let's just rest it against here and have a quick chat. Look at it! I think we're going to have to accept defeat on this one and just admit that that is not the freshest looking headliner. Ooh, dear me. Mate, that is awful. That's so bad. It might be job for a shop. Oh dear. Dave, I was wondering if you could replace the headliner on the car.
No, don't sand it, don't sand it.
Okay.
Yeah, right, yeah, I'll see you soon then.
Alright, see you in a bit.
Cheers, bye-bye.
Bye. We're now taking the headliner to Dave Trim's. Okay, so, long story short, we tried to put the trim on our headliner ourselves. It went so badly, in fact, that we had to call someone to come and do it. And when he saw the work we'd done, he actually said that Stevie Wonder could have done a better job. So that's a bit concerning. So with these, he told us not to retrim them, just to clean them. So we've just bought some foaming upholstery cleaner. So now I'm just going to go through and clean all of these and hopefully they'll come out nicely. So I'm going to quickly install some of these now to my number plate. So, where do we start? Hello mate, so Ben had this great idea to put tape over the number plate, and as you can see it's worked out really nicely. What do you think? Today frankly couldn't have gone much worse. Thanks for watching. But I guess it taught us a lesson of humility, that we can't do everything ourselves, and sometimes better to leave it up to professionals. In order to pick up our liner for the roof, we have to get an MOT for the car. So I'm trying to book one in for this week, and hopefully it will pass. Talking about passing over to you.
Nice. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully next video we'll have a car that's been MOT'd, and like you say, yeah, hopefully we'll pass, and then we can actually do some fun stuff with it. So yeah, thanks for watching.